Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Edward Jones detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Edward Jones website. Locate the careers section on the homepage. Click on the option to explore the available positions. Browse through the available roles to find one that interests you. Select the position you would like to apply for. Read through the job description to understand the requirements. If you feel you meet the qualifications, click on Apply Now. You will be prompted to create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in your personal details, including your name and email address. Once your account is created, log into the system. Complete the application form with your professional background. Be prepared to upload your resume and any supporting documents. Ensure you review all entered information for accuracy. After completing the application, submit it for evaluation. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. If shortlisted, you may be called for an interview. During the interview, be ready to discuss your experience and goals. If successful, you will receive an offer letter. Follow the instructions in the offer letter to finalize your registration. Complete any required training or compliance documents as directed. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the company culture and resources. Begin your journey with Edward Jones, connecting with colleagues and clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.